Hello friends, Aaron here. I'm just going to show you December's wood sets for the ukuleles I'm building. I thought I'd try doing this maybe every month or so when I get a batch of wood sanded so you can see what's coming up. I'm really excited about the next 6 weeks of work on these. So first up we have a baritone ukulele, and this one's got a beautiful red cedar top, and I got this top from my friend Zach from Oceana Ukuleles, and spalted dogwood back and sides. So this is some of the dogwood from the Carpenter Ant stash. That's a tree that Ken took down and stored from their property in Portland. So yeah, cedar and dogwood baritone. Next up, a standard for me is Port Orford cedar and walnut tenor. And it's got a asymmetrical back and the beautiful black streak, blue streak Port Orford cedar, which is a favorite. That always sounds good. Master grade myrtle tenor ukulele. It's going to have myrtle binding with no purfling. Really nice set. Yeah, and then we've got an alto instrument with bear claw spruce. A really nice set, and some quilted curly cherry, or sorry, maple. Some quilted cool looking maple. That'll be a good match for each other. And then curly Port Orford cedar for the top, and grafted pistachio for the back and sides. That's a baritone instrument. It's really good for the baritones, the larger instruments, to try to pick curly wood that also has a tight grain, because sometimes with Port Orford cedar, the wide grain stuff isn't quite as stable. So for baritones, this is the way to go. And then a little bit of an experiment. This is a builder's choice instrument. The top is Alaskan yellow cedar. That's the log that I processed off the beach at Westwind. And the back and sides is going to be some figured white oak. It's going to be a soprano instrument, and I'm using my rope binding I made for the first time, so it's a bit of an experiment. I don't know if I'll really get to this one in December. I'm just kind of chipping away at stuff right now. So yeah, that's December's instruments. Looking forward to seeing how they look and sound. Cheers.